Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. This customer had accidentally put gasoline in her diesel car and had to come in to get her fuel tank drained. This customer's car had been sitting on their lawn for about 2 years and wanted to see how it was looking underneath. Customer states that they're hearing a strange noise while driving at high speeds. The owner of this bedazzled car came in because it wouldn't start. Apparently the customer had DIY'd their own off-road kit and tried going through a shallow river when the car suddenly stopped. And this customer complained about the front of their car making a clunking sound while turning. The owner of this car came in saying he hit a small rock and wanted to make sure it was all fine. I wonder what a big rock would have done. This customer came in because they complained about poor braking power. The technician found a broken brake booster and pretty much no fluid in the reservoir. And this customer came into the shop and insisted on driving onto the lift themselves. And this customer states slight vibration in their steering wheel. Customer states, my window switch keeps screaming at me no matter how lightly I touch it. This customer's Volvo was eager to be fixed. Apparently the securing strap on the tow truck had snapped just as it was tilted to drop off the car. Now this might look like a pretty big issue, but it's actually a free drive and assist mode that helps get drivers loose if they're stuck in snow, mud or sand. Customer states, change my oil and filters and swap my wiper blades because the ones I got don't work. Customer came in complaining about a misfire issue after having put a new coil and plugs in by himself. This customer told the shop that their car was supposedly vandalized and asked for an estimate to repair it. And this customer had just bought a new Citroën and wondered if everything was alright with the steering wheel. And this customer came in and asked for their tires to be patched and stated that they still had a couple thousand miles left on them.
It's probably fine.
This customer came in for a new windshield and to clean up their dashboard after their kid got angry. The customer's car got towed into the shop because it apparently just needed a new starter. The mechanics found the car to need a little bit more work than just that. Customer states, it's a bit noisy when I hit the brakes.
Looks good.
That they heard a pop while driving and then it started to smoke and then stopped working.
The mechanic said that the customer declined to have the car diagnosed further and said that he was going to leave the car at the dealership to get repossessed. And this customer managed to fill their engine with washer fluid through the dipstick tube. This customer came in because they said that their truck had started sounding like a tractor recently after having it parked on the street for a few days. And this customer came in stating oil leak and bad acceleration. It turned out to be a blown turbo oil seal. This 2017 Kenworth T680 semi-truck came in to have some rust fixed on the air tanks, and the technician found that the customer had not been draining them of water properly. This customer came in because they had a leaking exhaust and tried fixing it themselves with some JB weld, but came into the shop 2 days later because the weld wasn't welding. This customer came in to get 4 new tires installed, but forgot to mention anything about this when dropping the car off. And this customer said that they think there's an animal living underneath their vehicle and asked the mechanics to have a look. Customer states, "My car has starting issues." And this Subaru had a little bit of an alignment issue. And this customer states that their vehicle had a hard time accelerating. They went to Firestone and was told that the turbo exhaust restriction is the issue.
Nice. Brand new Accord, 16,000 miles on it. You can't make this up, dude. Come on.
Customer states, knocking sound from engine bay.
Who is it?
And this F-150 came in with some new owner-installed rigid lights. And oh yeah, just put that anywhere, man. This customer came in because they complained about their car having starting issues. Yeah, that's probably alright. The customer states that their AC does not get cold. The customer bought this car last winter and did not know that the car came without an AC. Customer states, every time I floor it, my hood gets a bulge. This customer's Tesla apparently caught on fire after they had their garage flooded with salt water.
Let's see here, what do we got? Oh yeah, 90 pounds. Yeah, no problem.
This customer came in because their differential had some issues. The customer came in for an oil and filter change, and the mechanic happened to notice that they had fixed a hole in the tire by themselves. The customer refused to get a new tire installed. And this customer states, I think water is coming through my windshield.
Yeah, I would say so.
And this mechanic was just trying to check the oil. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.